What?
I don't know how you manage this, but there's a trail of cereal. Here, let me get a knife. But
Dad, hold on. Dad, I was about to get it.
I got it.
Wow, that thing looks like a trampoline. Oh, goodness. Wow, we don't even have to put it together. How funny.
These are gonna be cool, Jeff.
Yeah. Oh, yep. No, I don't think they snuck one. I think that's it.
Set in and see what you think.
Okay, Daddy. Oh my goodness.
Is that cool?
This could almost be my new bed if it was big enough, and
No food.
Dad, I know. I would try.
No, don't try.
Dad,
Do it.
I have to try, because if I try, then I can do it. And if I try and I fail, then I can clean it up.
Is there a place upstairs to set these right now?
Yeah, there is actually.
Wait.
We're almost there. Got the chair right here. And second, disappeared. I'm sad.